Hello guys, welcome to Technolung Reviews. Today, I will review the Vmaker AI video editing tool. You will find its lifetime deal starting at just $59 at AppSumo. It offers 5 license tier plans, starting from $59 to $499. Later in the video, I will let you know which plan is the best for you. If you need an extra 10% discount, please watch the full video. When I am reviewing it, it shows 72 reviews, and the count is increasing rapidly. If we see the review section, then we can tell that almost all the reviews are good. It means it is a quality video editing tool. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the website of Vmaker AI video editing tool. Here, we see the tagline of the tool. Turn your raw footage into publish-ready videos in minutes. And the tagline is very true. Its powerful AI feature helps to turn your raw videos into publish-ready videos. Vmaker AI has a perfect webcam and screen recorder. It can record in 4K resolution. You can import this recorded video to Vmaker AI, and it will turn it into a publish-ready video. It comes with AI subtitles. It can auto-generate subtitles in 35+ languages, with 10+ animation styles, and 100+ translation languages. Vmaker AI has an AI video generator feature. You can create talking head videos from text with Vmaker, featuring over 100+ AI avatars with 99% accuracy and precise lip sync. So, Vmaker AI is an AI video editor for everything. It has features like long to short videos, highlights generator, Mad AI, AI video BG remover. It is an alternative to Camtasia, iMovie, and Capwing. It is best for content creators, educators, and YouTubers. Now, let's jump into its dashboard to see how it works. In the dashboard, you will see Edit and Enhance with AI, Create Video Highlights, and Long to Short Form. We will start with Edit and Enhance with AI option. Here, they will ask to upload a video. Let's upload a video. It needs some time. After uploading the video, you need to select the aspect ratio. We will choose Landscape 16.9. Next, you must choose the effects you want in the video, like B-roll, title, intro card, etc. I choose all and click on the Create Video option. Then, you need to wait. It will add the effects, and AI will do the magic to give you the final output. Here is the video with timelines. At the very end, you will see the background music timeline. Here, you can see different background music part by part. The background music will match the content and uplifts the video. Above that, you will see your actual uploaded video in the timeline. Above the actual video timeline, you will see the subtitles timeline. Vmaker AI automatically adds subtitles to my video with animation. Quite interesting. Click the subtitle timeline to see the subtitle text. You can check it, add text, or edit it if needed. Like here, it automatically shows the red one, and it shows low confidence word. It means the tool is not confident enough, and it is true. The exact text will be Technolung Review. It has a translate option also. If you want to translate your video subtitles into a different language, you can do so automatically. Every time, the features of Vmaker AI amaze me. Now, let's play and see if the subtitle is working or not. Yes, it is working. Now, you can see some annotations and CTAs there, like subscribe us type annotation and other important ones. You can also delete it, or you can replace it with others. It has a big copyright-free library of videos, annotations, and so on. If you see the beginning of the video, you will see that it automatically adds an intro to the video, and, in the end, it adds an outro too. I am just astonished by its capability. On the left-hand side, you will see Elements. You will find different shapes, different icons, and so on. Next is AI Avatars. Here you will find different AI-generated avatars. In the text section, there are heading, subheading, etc. In the image section, you will find different copyright-free images. In the video section, you will find different copyright-free videos. In the music section, you will find different copyright-free music. You can add those to your video easily. In the upload section, you can upload your image, music, or videos, and can use it anytime. Besides this, in the transitions section, you will find different transitions, and as a video editor, I can tell that it is very helpful. In the 3-dot or more option, you will find the app and integration options. You can use those apps if you want. After editing it, you can export it with the export option on the upper right-hand side. So, it is an amazing video editing tool, and right now, its lifetime deal available in AppSumo at just $59. Okay, let's get back to the dashboard and try Create Video Highlights. Here, you need to upload a video, or take a video from My Uploads. I will use my previous one. So, click the video, and click Done. Then select the aspect ratio, as previously. Let's select Landscape 16.9, and continue. Here, you will see the micro teaser, highlight video, and custom time. I will choose Highlight Video. Now click Generate Highlights. Now wait. Here is our highlight video. It looks very promising. Now we will see the long to short from video. It is repurposed videos, and is best fitted for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Here, you need to upload a video or take a video from My Uploads. I will use my previous one. So, click the video and click Done. Then select the aspect ratio as previously. Let's select vertical 9:16 and continue. Now, you need to check the duration and give keywords, optional. I give the AI writing tool keyword. Now, click Generate Shorts. Now, wait. Wow, great. It creates different short videos. You can choose and edit it as a project too to make it completely error-free. It has a webcam and screen recorder option too. To enable this, you need to install the Vmaker Free Screen Recorder Chrome extension. Click here, and now select your current role. We chose, I am a YouTuber. Next, select your purpose. Choose Tutorial Demo Video. Now fix yourself in the webcam circle on the left. Now start recording. After that, select the browser tab you want to record. And now you can start recording. So, it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on the Vmaker AI video editing tool. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this tool. For a single video editor, its license tier 1 deal $59 is fine. But if you have an agency or team, go for bigger license tier deals. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe to us and give us a like. And for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.